What's up YouTube, it's your boy xxr Matt out here on this beautiful day. Just gonna ride around. I think today's topic's gonna be what it's like riding with a backpack and how to prepare, how to kind of set yourself up for success and not going down, because obviously you don't want to do that, especially when you have another responsibility on the back of your bike. So yesterday was the first time I had a backpack, and quite frankly it wasn't that bad. You know, so before, obviously, you get on the bike, you start going, you want to kind of go over what to expect, maybe some signals, things of that nature. So let's say if I tap you, it means like I'm about to go, or like hang on tight, or things of that nature, whatever you want to make it be. You want to make sure they're set up on the foot pegs correctly, that your tires are at the right pressure, you know, inflation, and things of that nature. But you also need to tell them the importance of them leaning with you and understanding. So maybe once after you go over it with them, and two, with the bike off, just have them sit on it. You just kind of swing the bike around. You know, let them get used to being on the bike moving around. It might sound stupid, but it helps a lot. At least in my case it did. I'm no expert, it's my first time. So, you know, kind of give them the rundown. Tell them what to expect, things of that nature. Maybe even just go around the block, like you literally just got your first bike and you're learning how to ride it. So just go around the block maybe, and do that. It is very, very taxing on the body having a backpack. Your hands hurt a bit more, your forearms, your back, you're more, at least this is my experience, right? She was a lot lighter, maybe, I mean, she was pretty light, she was like 100 pounds, something like that, but she was flowing with me in the bike, so she's following me, she's leaning with me, so I didn't have a problem steering the bike, so she kind of understood that part of it. So be careful what you bring on the back of your bike, you know what I mean? Make sure they're leaning with you, if not, you're not going to make that bend. So yeah, very taxing. I mean, personally, I was leaned up a little bit more like this, just because, you know, they're putting all their weight on you, they're leaning on you, they're holding on to you. Weight shifting, you know, if they're moving around a lot back there, you will feel that shit. So just, if they have to adjust themselves, just like let them know to like tap you, pull over, do whatever they gotta do. But yeah, there's lifting up. But also stopping, they're gonna feel more comfortable. Instead of holding you, they're gonna want to flip to hold down on the gas tank, which is fine, because again, you know, you want to hold yourself, but you're not holding on. So let's say you're stopping and then you're going, well, that's not really gonna work well if their hands are flipped and now holding on, because the moment you start to go again after stopping, they're going to fucking fall off. So make sure they're always holding on. And you're kind of just communicating with them. I mean, nowadays you can probably just throw a Senna on, but you probably don't want to do sudden movements where you're just stopping and then you're going, because they'll probably fly off if they're first time on the bike. Woke up extremely sore. It's like riding a bike for the first time again. But yeah, I mean, it's just very interesting. You just got to really prepare to like hold on and shift around, you know, take it easy, teach them the bike, and then you can start on your destination or whatever the fuck you're doing. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? I need gas. I'm gonna flip around to that gas station. Yeah, I'm gonna flip around to that gas station. That's gravel. I'm sliding. Give me a second. I'm gonna go put gas. I'll be right back. Expensive ass gas station for what? Fuck that. I'll make it to my gas station. Back to what we were talking about. So yeah, so you know, make sure they're hanging on. They got long clothing on. Depending on your bike, I guess something to wash the leg. My exhaust is at the bottom, so very low chance of them burning the clothes. I hope I don't run out of gas. I should be fine. Just gotta ride normal. I was gonna go to a park and fuck around, but now I gotta go get gas. So yeah, that's how it is riding with a backpack. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See ya!